Hello,
What is your name?
Monica.
You are so pretty.
Thank you so much.
So okay, this is
Because it's a saying, if Kumari laughs when you visit her, it depicts something will be bad. You know, there was a massive earthquake in Nepal, which
Yes,
almost destroyed Kathmandu and everything.
does.
And they were saying before that incident, she laughed and.
okay. So यहाँ पर गायत्री कथक एंड सब चल रहा है फ्राइडे 19 से सैटरडे 21 अप्रैल के लिए. सो मैं एक नेशनल लेवल डांसर हूँ, तो आई एक्चुअली हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन दैट. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लैंग्वेज एंड कल्चरल, हिमाचल प्रदेश. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्प्लेक्स. स्टिल कुछ जगहें ऐसी हैं जहाँ पर आज भी इंडियन क्लासिकल को बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाती है. हेरिटेज वॉक एवरी डे एट 10 AM. हेरिटेज वॉक होती है यहाँ पर. शिमला वॉक्स, शिमला हेरिटेज वॉक, द बेस्ट वे टू नो शिमला. इट हैज सर्टेन यूट्यूब चैनल्स ऑल्सो, इंस्टाग्राम चैनल्स ऑल्सो. ये एक प्रॉपर म्यूजियम है जहाँ पे आपको हेरिटेज वॉक मिल जाएगी. मोसेक 16 to 18 April, Getty Theatre, photography art exhibition. शिमला किताब घर. Oh my God. The book house and check what all we have.
Hi. Hello,
What is your name?
Monica.
You are so pretty.
Thank you so much.
So okay, this is a very beautiful art. So these are all handmades.
Yeah, so these are mix of the real original watercolor paintings,
Okay.
and original artwork prints and photograph prints also.
What do you mean by photograph paints?
Photograph prints are these are photographs, the original photographs.
Okay.
So we have it in a print form, and these are original sketchbooks. You
Original
can see
sketchbooks?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
that's-
can see there original works. So we also get the print form of it.
Okay, that's so nice.
And some of these are digital works,
Additional ones.
digital
Digital
artworks.
Okay. So these are all. This has been done through hand or through a software?
Through hand also.
Through hand.
Yeah, you can see
It
the
doesn't
original
seems
work.
to be a handmade painting. You know, it's very soft.
It's a print form of the original work.
Okay, it's a print from of the
Yeah.
original painting.
No, this is made with the software Illustrator, Corel Draw.
Okay. So you are basically representing the pictures or the paintings which are hanged over there, or it is
We have it's a group exhibition. So,
Okay.
We have group of artists.
okay.
So we have photographers, artists, and hand artisans also.
Okay, so they display their pictures here,
Yeah.
and you people are paying them for this.
No. We are the artists here.
Okay, you are the artist. So
Yeah.
which paintings you made?
I made those 3 paintings.
Which one? Last three.
The Kumari one and Apsara. And
Would you like to tell me some bits more about your paintings?
Yeah,
What does it? Okay, so let's go inside.
Okay.
सारे
लिख देना एक बार। ये 100 का है।
It's a beautiful museum that we have. Student artworks. Okay. Nice the way they are displaying art.
So these three are my paintings.
These three are your paintings.
Yes.
How much time it took?
Like it made with the different mediums. Some are made with the oil and some are made with the acrylic. So basically acrylic took less time and oil takes a lot of time. So this painting is an oil.
This is an oil painting.
Yeah, and it took me like almost a month.
Almost a month.
Yes.
So much of patience required and so much of hard
Because
work.
it needs to be dry to put another layer.
Okay.
So that's why it takes so much time. And these
What
two,
does it depict? It's so powerful. I
This
came on
is
Navratri
basically-
here and I was actually the eyes say something.
because the title is Kumari. Kumari is basically a god, living goddess of Nepal,
Okay.
and we see her as a living goddess, like form of Taneju Bhavani, which is like Kali Mata and Durga Ma
Okay.
for us. So yeah, it's a tradition in Nepal.
Just a depiction of a god,
Yeah.
the goddess you're trying to
yeah.
represent. Okay.
Because it's a tradition in Nepal. A young girl
Huh.
from a certain clan get chosen.
Okay.
And she's chosen as a Kumari.
Okay.
And
And what is the job? What is the role of Kumari?
basically she goes through a lot of tests
Okay.
before. Then after getting passed in the test, and she gets the role of a real goddess.
Okay, she
Yeah.
gets the role of a goddess.
Real goddess. You can go to Nepal and visit her, and she's like she is a real goddess. We believe in her because it goes like very back. It has a very long story behind it.
Traditional story about it,
It's a
and you have a lot of
traditional story.
customs
Yeah.
accompanied with that. Because I've seen some women, they have been taking into that palkis,
Yeah,
And,
that is called Jatra.
yatra,
Jatra.
jatra.
Yes.
Okay.
So basically 3 Kumaris gets chosen,
Huh.
and they get the role of living goddess till they get their first period,
Okay.
and they live in temple only.
They live in temple only.
Yes.
They have been we do worship them.
Yeah.
We do worship them.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So did they, if you ask something or you have some wish in mind, you feel like that
you will-
they can fulfill it.
You can say, but what happens? She is not allowed to say anything, and she doesn't say anything. You can only guess with her facial expression, because it's a saying: if Kumari laughs when you visit her, it depicts something will be bad.
Something will be bad.
Bad happen.
Oh, that is contradictory. If she's
Yeah.
laughing, something
if
bad will
she's
happen.
laughing and if she's crying, like if she's showing like too much emotion.
Grief.
Yeah, grief and basically most laugh. Okay, then
in that way, she
it
has
will
to remain
depict like
neutral.
something bad will happen. I mean, if she's not showing anything, like any expression at all, that means everything. gonna be
Everything
okay.
is fine.
Fine.
Like soothing, like hails. If they're
Yeah,
not
yeah.
showing you any emotions, that means everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
If it is raining, if it is pouring a lot, and then there should be a danger sign.
Yes,
There
yes,
could
yes.
be an storm or something. A landslide or something.
Yes,
That's
because
nice.
it got recorded like somewhere. There was a massive earthquake in Nepal, which
Yes, yes.
almost destroyed Kathmandu and everything.
does.
And they were saying like before that incident, she laughed in last Jatra. So
Oh, that's sad.
But-
That's really sad about the people. And this is Lord Buddha.
no, he's a form of Buddha. He's basically Avalokiteshvara.
Okay.
This is actually a painting of a sculpture.
Okay.
The real sculpture is in Nepal Museum.
Okay.
So I like to create something back to my roots. I'm from Nepal also,
Okay.
so that's why
So you're studying here?
I'm studying here.
Which college?
Fine Arts College, Purchara.
Okay.
Yes,
So you're studying here. Which year student you are?
last year student.
Last year student. Okay. You got an opportunity to display your talent. That's really nice.
Thank you so
And
much.
this is Ajanta, like
Yeah, this is Apsara.
Apsara. Okay.
Yeah. And so this is a sculpture that we found in
Okay.
what you call Sindhu Sabhyata and like Harappa Sabhyata.
Yes.
During that time, we got so many sculptures.
So before making paintings, you do a lot of research.
We have to, like, we should know our subject, and if it connects with us, then
So in
only.
arts and fine arts, you read about them.
Yeah, we read about like our history, like Indian art, Western art, and everything.
Okay.
So yeah, and I like to paint sculptures basically.
That's absolutely very nice. And here is that picture is also attracting a lot. If you see,
Sorry, basically artist is not here right now.
the artist is not there because we need to, for the modern art or even for an ancient art, you need someone to explain you. I actually I'm not able to understand paintings at very front if they are more or less like, because I'm not able to understand which emotion he is trying to depict.
Yeah, basically this portrait is called a portrait of warmth because you can feel the warmth through the eyes.
It does. You all painting also and this painting also, absolutely a lot of, reflection if you see, or if you see in the eyes, you can feel them. These are real, like, living creatures they are.
Yeah.
It's absolutely very nice. The artist has done a lot of hard work, I must say.
So this is also the same artist. So I
Okay.
did the collaboration with him. I did the embroidery.
Okay, that's
and he
nice.
did the sketching part.
This is actually embroidery.
Yes, these are the real threads.
So, okay, the gold threads that you say.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's very nice, very nice. You did a collaboration with the artist?
yeah,
It is already sold out, you?
yeah.
Okay.
So this is called golden thread.
Very few people have this opportunity to, bring out their passion into reality or the occupation or something like this. It's very different.
We really feel very blessed and lucky to have this opportunity.
You
because
are,
in
absolutely.
in Shimla we get like these chances like very often.
Okay.
But in many places you don't get chance to showcase your work.
Yes, yes.
So here we are like we feel blessed. That's why no one wants to leave Shimla.
Yeah. Now even we are the tourists, we're coming here, we don't want to leave it because we're feeling so happy. It's so hot in northern part of India. So
So where are you from?
I am from UP.
So
Very
how you found like finding Shimla?
It's going on okay. Like this is my first day only. I came
Okay,
yesterday.
this is your first day.
Yeah,
There's
my
so much
first
to
day.
say.
So we, decided to visit the Mall Road,
Okay.
and it's going good. It's quite very nice, and people are very nice here. People are very nice, and these paintings also. These are. I guess this is modern art.
Yeah, and these are like watercolor arts. His artist name is Puran Dhawan. He's from Nepal also, and he has a specialty in old architectures of Himachal.
Okay.
And these are these are pastel colors.
These type of paintings I don't understand. I don't understand what they're trying to say.
Yeah, because
But these are very
it depends on
depth, lot of
artist to
depth.
artist basically.
Yeah.
Because even as a viewer, we think of something else by.
My mother is also an artist.
Really?
She has made numerous, oil paintings, sand paintings, ceramic paintings. So she has a hand in that, and she has a lot of patience while making it.
It's a compulsory to have a patience to be an artist because
yes.
without
Truly.
patience.
But this is some incredible arts, if you see here, no?
Thank you so much.
This one is also
Yeah.
very attractive. Yashwant is the artist name, no?
Yes.
So all the artists are not present here.
No. Most of the artists are here
Oh,
and photographers are here.
I can meet them.
Yeah, sure. These all are the photographs.
These are the photographs.
Yes.
Okay. So they display photographs as well.
Yeah, this is a photography and art exhibition, like combined.
Okay. Then absolutely very nice. Record kar lo?
यशवंत भैया है ही नहीं. अच्छा. हाय लकी, कैसे हो तुम? ठीक हो? बढ़िया। हाँ यार। हाँ पेंटिंग्स। अभी 2 मिनट है।
These are the students' artwork. Oh my god, look at the work.
Actually, this is my. Wait. Can you hear?
Yeah, I can. Absolutely.
This is my 7th oil painting.
Seventh oil painting.
I usually do charcoal portraits.
Charcoal work.
Yeah.
This is a charcoal work.
Yes, charcoal and graphite mix.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, through pencil.
Yeah, through pencil.
It's all pencil work.
Yeah.
It was very hard to, depict that.
Yes.
It's very nice. So what? Actually, the eyes are very dense in this painting.
Yes. Actually, I choose my pictures according to the expression.
Okay.
So this photograph was clicked by my friend. You can see the original photograph there.
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah. So I like the expression that boy was having on his face. So that's why I like.
What you were feeling while making this painting?
Actually, this boy is from place like Dota Gaba.
No.
It's
I'm new to Himachal.
okay. It's in Upper Shimla.
Okay.
So this boy belongs to that place. So that I used to trek there. I think I have done 2 or 3 treks there. So people from that village are really warm. So they welcomed us like they on the whole route they fed us, and we were carrying our own stuff, but we didn't use that because all the people were like, eat this.
They're helping you,
Yeah.
giving you the food.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice.
So when I
Very
saw
hospitable.
when I saw this picture, I felt that warmth, the same warmth.
Okay.
That's why I named it. Yeah.
There's some sweet memories stay
Yeah.
in your mind when you come from somewhere. It's very nice, very nice. Even I am finding Himachal people are very good here.